guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is CocoXchella, some of you may know me as Toya, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Killstar unboxing. Yay! So here is the package. I am not going to show my address, let me make sure I do not. Here's the package today. Ooh. And I've got my trusty big boy scissors. Like, look at that. Look at the length on that. That's something else. But let's get into it. Let's get into it. Oh, I need to be careful with this. Let's get into it. So, oh, it's gliding through like butter. Gliding through. Let's open this. You can see I'm not very good on Christmas Day when it comes to opening gifts. Trust me, I'm not even good at wrapping them. Right, what do we have here? So let's start by opening this. Right. So this is the ERIS Lace Bolero, and it is divine. That's it there, don't worry, I am going to try everything on and show you guys what everything looks like. But that just basically goes over here. Next we have is the CHOAS and CARNIVAL choker, which I'm pretty sure this is fairly new in their collection, shall I say, their itinerary. So let's just open that up. Pull that out, nicely secured in there. So this comes out like that. So that's quite a nice choker. Goes with my red vibe that I'm on at the moment. So yeah, that's divine. Let's peel this. Oh, nice. So there's that. Oh, I'm still got some plastic stuck here. See, that's quite cute. Nice. Let's open the final large package. You've got to save the big one till last. Ooh. So this here that we have is the HEXX Midi dress. Sorry if I sound hella nasally. If you watched my last video, you'll know that I'm suffering with nasal polyps. So every now and again, I just sound hella nasally. But yeah, the Midi dress. This is what it looks like. Might have to hold it up in such a way for you guys to see, but straight out the packet this is what it looks like. Maybe if I put my arm through here, and then it comes, I don't even know if you guys can see this, let me stand up. So it sort of comes down like that, and then down here connects it all up into a dress. So it's got some nice sort of soft studded detailing here with a zip that goes right down the middle, all the way up. If I can hold this in such a way that you can actually see that. But I will, like I said, try this all on. So, yeah. Oh, I love this. Nice little moon detailing here. Let me just do a little close up so you can see that. Nice moon detailing. Zip that goes all the way down. I'm going to go try all this on and show you what it looks like all put together. So this is the look all put together. I have obviously added my own spiked bra because I think it goes quite well with this look. This bracelet is also mine. You've probably seen it in my other videos, but this is what it looks like. So this is it from the back. Excuse my bra as well, but this is it from the back. From the side. So just to break it down, we have the ERIS Lace Bolero. It just stops short just here. It's very cozy. Next we have the CHOAS and CARNIVAL choker in crimson with a nice pentagram detailing there. And last but not least is the HEXX Midi dress. So it comes right down to the knees. I'm not sure if you can see all too well, but if I just undo the zip shortly, I can bring my leg up a little bit higher. So it comes down to the knee. As I showed you before, it has the lovely studded detailing here with the crescent moon. I really do love these details here as well. It's kind of like suspenders, but like in the middle of the dress, so I quite like that. And I do love the shiny look. I do love that. So I think With a splash of colour, this works very well. And if I was to wear this out, I would probably pair it with these boots that I also got from Killstar, but I've had these for a while now because I honestly cannot remember what they are called, but these boots are absolutely amazing and just chunky. I love them chunky. So let's pop one down so I can show you a little bit closer. So look at that detailing there. Like, I absolutely adore that. Yeah, I've only worn them out a couple of times, mostly to take pictures because I will be like 6 foot, but we do love being tall. We do love being tall. So it has a nice little zip that comes up at the side here. So yeah, these are badass. I will insert a full-length video including the boot as well, so you can see what it would look like if you was going out on the town, if you're going to a gig or something eventful. So yeah, this is a look. So that's it guys for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing try on Killstar look with this amazing outfit that was gifted to me. So thank you very much Killstar for making this video possible and for this outfit. I honestly cannot wait to wear it out. I definitely will be turning some heads, and that's what we love about being alternative, turning heads. We are basically the main character, everybody else is NPCs. Thank you all for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.